Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Scarlo. Today I am doing another eyeshadow unboxing. These eyeshadows are from Morphe. Now this is also the first time that I use their products, just like my last eyeshadow palette unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up. I haven't seen them. These are also highly pigmented. So let me show you what I got. So this first little one I'm going to show you. This is 9V Vintage Rose by Morphe. It has 9 colors. I like rosy nudes and like violet nudes. So these are really nice. So nice little compact there. And they also always have sales, which is pretty cool. Okay, so these have names to them. So go ahead and take a look. These are really nice. Now I saw these and I thought that they were going to be more brown. I'm actually glad that they're not. These are like the exact colors that I love using when I do like nude. So we've got here, let's see. So this one is, that's Classic. This one here, Blossom. This one here, Flourish, Perf in Pink, Retro Woe, Rose Bold, Legend Has It, Petal Play, and Forget Me Not. I thought that these were not going to look like this, and I'm actually very excited to try them. Oh yes, and they are definitely highly pigmented, so I'm going to be using these a lot. And I have green eyes, so anything rose colored to violet brings out the green in my eyes. So I always try to get something that's going to complement my eye color, even though I'm now experimenting with green and yellow and a whole bunch of other crazy. So this second one here is also by Morphe. It is Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. Now this one is definitely bigger. See, here it comes in a nice white palette. And let's go ahead and open this baby up here. See, I got bold with this one. Look at that. I'm also going to try to start doing tutorials as I play around with colors too. I just got to figure out what's what, because, you know, I don't do bold, but these colors here I would definitely play around with. I just got to figure out what I want to do with them. But these also all have names. I'm not going to read them all, but these are some really cool purple, pink. Let's see, we got some yellow, a few nude colors up there. So I'm excited to try these. I like this one here. These two. These are nice. So yeah, there you have it. This is from Morphe. This is not sponsored. Again, I am on here showing you what I love, all the brands that I like, the brands that I want to try out. So if you're like me and you love makeup and eyeshadow, I love going on Morphe, I love Sephora. Definitely Juvia's Place also has, I've been using their eyeshadow and they are highly pigmented. And I'm using one of their colors today and I'm loving their palette. So post below and let me know what you guys think. If you guys are out there, and I think most of my audience is guys, but if you have aunts, mothers, sisters, girlfriends, wives that you know, are interested in makeup, please send them here, have them subscribe to my channel, go to the bottom, have them comment, let me know what you guys think. If you guys know of any other you know, online sites or makeup brands that you guys enjoy, especially when it comes to eyeshadows, leave it down below, let me know. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share. Toodles!